suggested that I film a day in the life of my dogs, which I think is hilarious. And today we happen to be going to the vet. So I have a nice poop bag to pick up little Stella's poop. It's my sister's dog, Neela, beckoning for us to let her outside and feed her. We're gonna do a day in your life of your crazies. They already ate, so sorry. I actually live at my sister's. Oh. And combined we have 5 dogs. So there's always something going on. She also has 2 rabbits and a lizard and a fish. This is what they do all day. Pretty much. Success! So I just spent all that time walking around following Stella to get her poop, and apparently that's not a thing you need to bring to the vet with you. What a doofus I am. This is what we do all day, isn't it? Hey! You get yelled at all day for barking, don't you? Hey! You're naughty. Stella, come here. What do you do all day? Besides sleep and beg for attention. You wanna play with a tortilla? Okay. Demon. You're so adorable. The only person that would say that. Wait till you see clips of me taking him to the vet. You are a wild boy. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Apparently we're coming to see a nice cute dog to see. Oh, hi Nylon Penner. You're being so cute. Penny. Got a bunch of lazy dogs up here while we clean out sister's closet. Reuben. Reuben. Stella's mad I put a thing on her. And how he's sleeping on all his dad's dirty clothes. They're so cute. And we're back in the yard. Being naughty. Try not to step in dog poop in my slippers. Come here, Bobby! Penny. Howie in the bushes. Reuben, my demon. Somehow a day in the life of my dogs turned into a day of the life in my dogs and my new pet, Fish. His name is Dobrik. Anybody expect anything less than that? It's actually Dobrik CB for clickbait. Bait, because he's a fish, get it? Okay. He's really pretty though. Two out of four of these dogs have no idea what's going on. Reuben, you're gonna be a nice boy at the vet? You're always a nice girl. You're always excited to go places. Worried about you though. Where are we? Where are we at? Ow. You being nice boy? You being a good girl? Little weight loss girl. What are you doing, big girl? You're such a good girl. She's so good. Oh. Me and the bow tie killer got his nails clipped and apparently he peed everywhere. And that's why we call him Piss Boy. Be so free, innocent. Hannibal. Be free. Just resting. Mr. Bowtie.
Oh.
Yep. Okay, I just got home. Let's see how it is. They get to see me. Hi everyone. Hi. Come on, get back. No, Penny, come on. Alright, Stally, are you ready to show everybody your cousin that you like to play with? You're really good with him, aren't ya? Come here. Be nice. Come here, Marsh. Yeah, you love him, don't you? Eat him. You live a pretty lucky life, don't you? Get out of his booty. What? Yeah. You like him, don't you? Oh. Don't make him spray on you. Have a greeny snack for being such a good boy today. I know yours is almost gone. You're just probably licking your chops, huh? All gone? Minty fresh breath. This is where Stella sleeps on this whole entire couch. Don't you, girl? Sometimes I wake up and you be on your back, and it's so cute. Tell everyone goodbye and how good you were at the vet today. And then this guy always sleeps with me. He's ready for me to make the bed so he can get in it. Because I make my bed every morning. He's so sweet. You did good at the vet today too, baby. Well, thanks for watching, my sweet pups. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do every day. Your little baby sleeps. Oh, aren't you sweet? I wanted to show how ruled my life was by these guys. And they're ready to get up. Oh, it's time. Where's Sal? Come here, honey. Say hi. Oh. What? 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 All right, you didn't get to see him eat yesterday, so I'll throw that in there quick right now too. Are you guys hungry? In the morning, I give Ruben a drop of CBD isolate because he's mean, as I've stated. Look how sweet he looks right now. Are you hungry? That's a day in the life with my babies. Thanks for watching.